Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the OutdoorMaster Cachalot 2S Mini SUP Pump. But of course you cannot only use it for stand-up paddleboards, you can use it to inflate a lot of other things. I think it's a very interesting combination of a small device which still has its own charge. Usually when we are talking about small SUP pumps, then they usually don't come with a battery. Of course we cannot inflate, deflate 10 SUPs, but that's usually also not needed. But we can still inflate, deflate 3 full-size SUPs, and if the battery is low we can still use a standard 12-volt carport. We can use it for inflating, deflating, comes with a normal standard 2-stage inflation process, has an automatic shut-off after reaching the destination which we set here directly on the display. Is chargeable with modern USB-C, comes with 7 nozzles, so not only interesting but also very comprehensive set. And so I'm going to show you everything what we get here, how to set it up and how to use, so stay tuned till the very end of the video. And so here we have the box, even with some description and specs here on the side. What's important to know if you're planning to use it on a carport, this can consume up to 11 amps, which could be above the fuse which you have in your car. I mean, these days usually we are talking about 15 amps or even 20 amps fuses in modern cars, but maybe some old cars have only 10 amps. I've checked just with this battery here, which can provide 12 volts with a carport adapter. Maximum is 10 amps, so better double check before you plug it in. And what's awesome here, comes with this really nice carry case. And it's even beautiful, stylish one. Already the packaging was looking good. So this could be also a really nice gift. And also the device is very modern looking. Watch this thing here. Yeah, if you know somebody with a stand-up paddleboard, this would be a perfect gift. And by the way, this logo down here is not only a beautiful design. This can be used as a nice handle. Watch this thing here. Everything comes nicely protected. Comes also with a large instructions manual. 10 pages in a lot of different languages. Comes with a standard USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And here a very long power cable, carport adapter to DC. And then underneath we have the hose and the adapters. They are nicely connected to each other, so we cannot lose them. I would say these are pretty much all the standard adapters which I know. Underneath we have these really large soft rubber feet. This can be also super helpful. Sometimes it can be a good thing to have this on the SUP, especially when you're on the beach. You don't want to put this into the sand. These are like suction cups. So if you have just a normal SUP pump with the vibration, it can slip and fall off the SUP. That's much less likely here. Love this. And so we can open this lid, nice protection, and charge it, for example, here. You can see, maybe it's just pulling the maximum which this thing can deliver, or we charge it from normal standard USB-C, charging here as well. Super impressive also the powerful charge of this device itself. I hope you can see that. 27 watts currently, maximum is up to 30 watts with whopping 20 volts charge. That's pretty much 3 times the speed compared to normal 5 volts, 2 amps USB fast charge. What I also like is that it has a USB-C trigger already built in, so we can charge it USB-C to USB-C. That's definitely not very common, but we have also standard 5 volts USB-A outlet, so we can, for example, use it to charge our phone. After connecting, don't forget to press the power button, only then it will start charging. But all this stuff works already without really turning on this device. To turn it on, we long press here, then we get the large display. With this button we can switch between PSI and bar, and then we set the target with the plus and the minus. We can also long press for faster change. And when we are ready to inflate, we attach the right nozzle here. After that we search for the inflating port. You can see how nicely this is sticking. So we have inflate and deflate. Of course at the beginning we are using inflate. Love this connector. After setting the target and connecting the hose, it goes back to showing the current pressure. It's also important, but it will stop at the destination anyway. And so we can start the inflation process here. and stop it here again. Yeah, definitely not a very quiet device, but most of them are pretty loud anyway, so no problem with that. What's important to know, we have also very special function which I've never seen before. Usually when the SUP is totally flat, the first inflation stage works without a lot of pressure but with a lot of air, and then after the SUP is full it will automatically switch into the compressor mode. But you can also manually switch if you have the impression that it needs more power. During the inflation process you can long press the plus and it will manually switch into the high pressure mode. And for the deflation process you just switch to this side here and attach it again to the SUP and then start it again like normal inflating, but it will deflate automatically because it's on this side. By the way, the deflation process won't stop automatically as far as I know, so it's always a good thing to be there and monitor the whole process. Okay, and so everything is connected. Turn it on, have it on 12 psi, and now we start. And so you can see it starts with the low pressure, high air volume mode till it's fully inflated, and then it automatically switches to the high pressure mode, which you will hear with the different noise. It should stop automatically, and it definitely has done that exactly as we expected that, and the time was even below 7 minutes for this large size SUP with 12 psi. Yeah, definitely an awesome thing that we have these suction cups here underneath. I've never seen that with another SUP pump, that it has been sitting without moving while inflating the SUP. And now we can remove the hose here. Let's see, yeah, definitely worked. And so we can either use it, or if you want to deflate it, we can switch here to the right side, add the hose again. By the way, what I noticed is also that this adapter here has an absolute perfect fit, so I didn't have to apply too much pressure. And so of course it starts deflating automatically, but we can also give some help with this device. So we have to stop it manually here, of course, but overall process was absolutely awesome. A very impressive device, beautiful, strong. We even have powerful charge, or can use it to charge other devices, and works so great here for the SUP. And so nothing to complain, and full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link where you can buy it down into the description of the video, so you can click on it and buy one for you. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.